morning, class.
Good morning, Daisy.
You may begin with your experiments, but please remember the safety rules and make sure to follow my instructions.
What is laboratory safety? Laboratory safety can be defined as a rule or an act that is meant for keeping everyone in the laboratory safe and thereby creating a safe working zone. Understand that nothing is more important than your life. Always pay attention to what you are doing and what you are working with. Before starting your work, ensure that the lab floor and the workbenches are clean with disinfectants. Cleaning of laboratory is very important because it reduces potential microbes of your area. There may be a number of microbes that are not harmful, but as long as you are in the laboratory, you have to consider all microorganisms are potential pathogens. Wash your hands before entering and after leaving the lab with a disinfectant soap, preferably a liquid soap. Never pipette by mouth. Use bulbs or advanced micropipettes. All cultures, media, reagents and chemicals must be labeled with their name and expiry details. If they are hazardous, they must be labeled with proper warning symbols. It is good to have material safety data sheets of hazardous chemicals to understand their impact. When you are in the laboratory, disinfect your hand with 70% IPA quite often, because in the lab you never know what kind of germs are present on the lab surfaces.
Next, never eat, drink, and smoke in the laboratory. Always keep your fingers and pens away from your mouth. Never scratch or rub your face or any part of your body with hand as long as you are in the laboratory. You should always wear heat-resistant gloves while handling hot material, especially while unloading material from an autoclave. It is the responsibility of laboratory management to provide awareness and training on lab safety. The management has to provide required personal protective equipment whenever necessary. It is also important that each individual, from helper to the manager, follow safety measures at all times. The laboratory staff should report even minor incidents to the management in order to upgrade the safety measures in the laboratory. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.
Coronavirus Health and Safety Guide. I will share about how to protect yourself at school and keep everyone around you safe. So, do you know what is coronavirus? Coronavirus, or better known as COVID-19, is a contagious virus strain that can be passed from one person to another via direct contact, respiratory droplets, and touching a surface infected with the virus. Here are 6 simple steps to prevent the spread of the virus and protect you, your family, colleagues, and anyone nearby. Firstly, wash your hand often. Wash your hand for at least 60 seconds with soap. Besides, you can also use hand sanitizer with at least 75% alcohol. It's important to wash your hand, especially before and after eating, after using the restroom, and after leaving lab or classroom to prevent the spread of the virus. The next step is avoid contact. Maintain at least 1 meter distance from yourself and others, especially at close and crowded places. For example, canteen, classroom, lab, assembly, and so on. The third step is disinfect. Clean your workspace, stationery, and bedroom using spray or disinfectant wipes to get rid of the virus that may contaminate around you.
For the next step, wear your mask. Masks help to prevent the spreading infection to other people and individuals from infected to any infectious germs in the air. It is because when someone coughs, sneezes, or talks, they could release germs into the air that may infect others nearby. So, you need to clean your hands before you put your mask on as well as after you take it off, and make sure the mask covers your nose, mouth, and chins. If you don't wear your mask, cover your nose with your elbow or a tissue when you cough and sneeze. So next step is face. You have to avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth because they can transfer virus to enter our body. Touching a dirty surface at open area may infect ourselves with those germs by touching our face. When touching the mucous membranes on your face with your dirty hands allows germs that cause respiratory infections to enter the body. Respiratory infections like pneumonia or flu can spread through droplets in the air when a sick person coughs, sneezes, or talks. So, you need to wash your hands frequently and use alcohol-based hand sanitizer that provided by your teacher. The last step is self-care. You'll be better at fighting the virus if you have a healthy immune system like sleep well, eat nutritious food, exercise, and you reduce stress. But if you feel sick, you should rest, drink plenty of fluid, and eat nutritious food. So, you need to stay in a separate room from other family members and friends, and don't forget to use a different bathroom if possible. It is normal to feel sad, stressed, or confused during this crisis. By talking to people you trust, such as friends and family, can help to overcome the situation. If you feel overwhelmed, talk to a health worker or a counselor. So, that's all from us. Thank you for watching the video. You can like and share to your friends or family. And if you have any question, you can comment down below.